Topic number 1.5.1 Seismic Belt of the World. The main seismic belt are as under. First, Circum-Pacific Belt. The belt included the coastal margin of the North America, South America, and East Asia. There are as represent the eastern and the western margin of the Pacific Ocean respectively and account for the about 65% of the total earthquake of the world. The western marginal zones are represented by the Rockies and the Adens Mountains chains. These are also zones of the convergent plate boundaries where the Pacific Oceanic Plate is subducted below the American plates. The eastern marginal zones are represented by the island arc of Kamchatka, Sakhalin, Japan, and Philippines. The earthquake are caused due to the collision of the Pacific of the Pacific and the acidic plates and the consequent volcanic activity. Japan record about 1,500 seismic shocks every year. Second, mid-continental belt. The mid-continental belt includes the Alpine mountains and their offshoots in Europe, Mediterranean Sea, Northern African, Eastern African, and the Himalayas. The mid-continental belt extends through the Suleiman and Kithar zones in the west, Himalayas in the north, Myanmar in the east. The belt is present the weaker zones of Fold Mountain. About 21% of the total seismic events are recorded in the belt. Mid-Atlantic Ridges Belt. The Mid-Atlantic Ridges Belt include the Mid-Atlantic Ridges and several islands near the ridges. It record moderate earthquakes which are caused due to the moving of plate in the opposition direction. Thus, the sea floor separated and the fissure type of volcanic eruption caused earthquake of the moderate intensity in this region. Topic number 1.5.2 Seismic Zones of India. The Indian subcontinent is highly prone to multiple natural disasters, including earthquake, which is one of the most destructive natural hazard with the potentially of inflicting huge loss to live and property. Earthquakes pose a real threat to India, with 59% of its geographical area vulnerable to seismic disturbance of varying intensity, including the capital city of the country. The varying geology at different locations in the country implies that the likelihood of damaging earthquake taking place at different locations is different. Thus, a seismic zones map is required so that the building and other structures located in different regions can be designed to withstand different level of the ground shaking. The country zones map divided into India into four zones: second, third, fourth, and fifth. The following table given the distribution of the various regions of the country into various seismic zones damaging this region. Zone number 5, very high damage risk zone. Region the entire northeast included the Seven Sisters state, the Kutch district part of Himachal and Jammu and Kashmir, and the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Zone number 4, high damaged risk zone. Zone 4, high damage risk zone, part of the north belt starting from Jammu and Kashmir to Himachal Pradesh, also including India, and part of Haryana. The Konya region of Maharashtra is in the zone. Zone number 3, moderate damage risk zone. A large part of the country is stretching from the north, including some part of Rajasthan, to the south through the Konkan coast and the eastern part of the country. No, zone number 2, the low damage risk zones. These are zones are contiguous, covering part of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, and Rajasthan, known as low risk earthquake zones. Topic number 1.6 The effect of earthquakes. The direct and indirect effect of an earthquake included: first, deformed ground surface. The earthquake tremor and the resultant vibration result in the surface and faulting activity. The alluvium filled areas of the flood plains may get fractured, at several places. The second, damage to the man-made structures. Man-made structures such as building, road, rail, factories, dams, bridges, etc. get severely damaged. Third, damage to the town and cities. The town and the cities are the worst affected due to a high density of building and population under the impact of tremors. So large buildings of collapse and men and women get buried under the debris. Groundwater pipes are damaged and thus water supply is totally disrupted. Fourth, loss of the hunter, human and animal life. The destructive power of an earthquake depend upon the loss it can cause it in terms of loss of life and arid property. The Bhuj earthquake of India in 2001, 8.1 on the Richard scale, cost over 1 lakh human casualties. Fifth, devastating fires. The strong vibration caused an earthquake can cause fire in houses, mines, and factories due to the bursting of gas cylinders contracting with live electric wires, clucking, searching of blast furnace, displacement of other electric and fire-related appliances, landslide tremors in hilly and mountainous area can cause instability of unconsolidated rock material. This ultimately lead to landslide which damage the settlement and transport system. Flash floods. Topic number seven. Flash floods, very strong seismic event, result in a collapse of dams and cause several flash flood are also caused when the debris produced by tremors block the flow of water in the river. Sometimes the main course of the river is changed due to the blockage. Tsunamis, when the seismic waves travel through sea water, high sea waves are generated, which can cause a great loss to the life property, especially in the coastal areas. And our chapter and our remaining part is continue with the other videos. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद. इतना ही वीडियो हो पाया आज तो.